In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple Microsoft Forms into one. Microsoft Forms doesn't have a built-in merge button, so the approach depends on what you need. Combining the questions into a single form going forward, or combining the responses from different forms into a single dataset. I'll walk you through both options clearly. If your goal is to have all the questions in one place, so new responses land in a single form, start by opening Microsoft Forms and creating a new form. Then, open each of your existing forms in separate tabs. Copy each question from those forms and paste or recreate them in the new form. If one of your existing forms is already close to what you want, use Share as a template to make a copy of it, then edit and add the remaining questions from the other forms. This approach consolidates your survey content so all new responses flow into one destination. Keep in mind that past responses from the old forms don't move automatically. If you need them together, you'll export those separately, which I'll cover next. As you build, consider organizing similar questions into sections, aligning choice options and required settings, and previewing the form to make sure branching and validation still work as expected. If your priority is to see all past responses together, go to each original form, open the Responses tab, and choose Open in Excel. You'll get a workbook for each form. In Excel, create a master file and bring the data in. You can simply copy and paste tables into one sheet, making sure the columns line up, or use Power Query to append the tables. With Power Query, you can point to each response table and append them in a few clicks, which is cleaner and more repeatable. A helpful tip is to add a source form column so you always know which form a row came from, and to standardize column headers so appending goes smoothly. This method is not dynamic by default, so if new responses keep coming in, you'll need to repeat the export or set up automation with a tool like Power Automate to push new responses into your master file. To recap, build a new combined form if you want one place for all questions and future responses. Export and merge in Excel if you just need a unified view of historical data. Pick the path that matches your goal and you'll get a clean, reliable result.